Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change recovery email in Yahoo Mail. So first of all, open Yahoo Mail. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right side, tap onto profile. After that, click on account info. Click onto security option. Scroll down. Now shown here two email address added. Now I'm remove this. Click on to remove and click on add email, and here we can add your new email address. Click on to add, and you need to just verify your new email address. Put here your verification code, then successfully change recovery email in Yahoo Mail. So that's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.